Tere, I'm Lonnie and this is Vincent, and we are the co-creators of Pumpkin and Stretch, a children's picture book.
It's a story about two creatures, Pumpkin and Stretch, and their adventures as they get lost in a mysterious dark cave, about how they get out using all the strength they have, a bit of teamwork, and some clues they find along the way. Today, however, we're going to do something a little bit different. You see, Stretch here wants to learn some Estonian, and I do too. And Pumpkin just happens to know a few words that might be useful in our Estonian language adventures. So, we're going to start out with a few simple words of things you might find in the kitchen, like fruits and vegetables and utensils.
Let's get started.
Hey, Pumpkin, I'm getting very hungry. I've been studying all day long, and I don't really feel like I'm learning much. Can you help me?
Oh, of course. Kas sul on kõht tühi?
What does that mean?
It means, are you hungry?
Oh, well, how do I say yes?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, how about we make a salad? I'll teach you the names of the ingredients.
Oh, that would be most excellent. The first ingredient for any tasty salad, spinach.
Spinat.
Spinat. You can't forget the broccoli.
Brokoli.
Broccoli. And you can't forget zucchini.
Suvikarvits.
Suvikarvits. Hey, Bucket, look at this. It's like a big red nose. A red pepper.
Punapipar.
But what's that thing over there?
Se on sipul.
Oh, sibol.
Punapipar ja sipul.
Punapipar ja sibol. Oh, need on mushrooms.
Need on seened.
Seened. Well, fucking, I found a tomato.
Ah, tomat.
Tomat.
I think I found another one here.
Fucking, I don't think that's a tomato.
It's a pincushion. Noela buddy.
Oh no, Naila buddy. I think our salad needs more greens. How about this maple leaf?
Ah, tasty vahtraleht.
Oh, that's a lot of H sounds. Vahtraleht.
Vahtraleht.
Yeah.
Oh,
Maybe something sweet. Pineapple.
ananass.
Ananas. Oh, it's very prickly.
Oh, so heavy.
I think we got it.
Tasty.
Oh.
Ah! How about some of this? Banana.
Oh, let me guess. Banan.
That's it. Can't forget the bread. Leib.
Oh, I love that stuff. Leib.
Oh, so heavy. Can you guess what this is?
I think I remember this one. Vesimelon.
Close, but actually it's arbuz.
Oh, arbuz. Oh, I'll have to remember that one.
It's a tough one.
Hey, Pumpkin, I brought this for you.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, you're very welcome.
SUUR, kollane, lill.
SUUR, kollane, lill.
Aitäh.
Yeah, I must say, this big yellow flower works very well as a garnish on our salad.
Very nice. Actually, I have some final touches as well. Some salt to add some flavor.
Oh, that's an excellent idea.
Sool.
Soul. I think I'm ready to eat.
It looks very delicious.
But I think we need some utensils first. We want to be polite when we're eating, don't we?
I suppose you're right. Good to be polite.
Let me look in the kitchen and see what we have.
Well, it looks like we have all of our utensils here.
Indeed. We have a spoon,
Teelusikas.
and a teaspoon,
Teelusikas.
teelusikas. A fork,
Tahvel.
kahvel. What else? Nuga,
Knife.
Oh, I think we're just about ready.
Let's dig in.
If you wanna sing a song, then sing a song. You know all the words. And if you wanna be with me, just be with me.